Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, EuroCAD. We had this signal down here, see in our alerts log. Trend meter is telling us to sell. This was the signal here. I've just sent this into VIP, but what I want to do is explain why I like this signal. First of all, the signal fired here, giving us a sell, and when it fires, it brings you into the chart. It gives you an opportunity to have a look. Now, why I like this is on the 4 hour, if we open that up, let's have a look at the price action here. Let's take that out. Here's the thing. See this level back through here? Let's pick up the whole lot. This white line is a monthly level of resistance now. Let's just go 4 hour. Bearish. Okay, monthly resistance. We see the trend is giving us lower highs, lower lows. This is an ideal setup. Break of structure right here on the monthly. Structure bearish. We get the pullback up in. See how indicators are giving us red dots through here? All right, that's a key level. Rejected. It spikes up through it, looking like a liquidity grab. We trade down. We've broken through this midline, the mean, retest, fail at this this level here, the mean. So far, it's looking like a reasonable opportunity. Look at the momentum, look at this price action. I always prefer signals in a trend, lower lows, lower highs. You know, there's a probability factor in saying that. There's always a chance that this will turn around and head north, and quite often you're going to see sudden moves in the market where the market spikes up and takes out liquidity. But here's another thing to consider. I mean, just look at this signal. If you ended up here right on the signal, stop loss above, look at that already, 4-to-1 risk reward. That's a nice trade. Now here's a thing to be mindful of. See how this has been ranging through here. This is the London Open here. So you want to be mindful that this could be, and I've seen it so many times, so this is why I'm covering this, a fake out. This has built liquidity above and below this range. Smart money quite often will send it south. They're going to get a whole stack of short traders in here, and as a result of that, there's quite a significant liquidity pool building above. All right, so always be aware that when you see these sudden spikes like this, there is a possibility, I'm not saying it always happens, but there is a possibility that this is trapping traders short, only to be moved back up in above to attack buy-side liquidity up here. And then maybe we get the move. I mean, it may or may not. Who knows? I mean, it could just roll over here, and we're in. I'm already short, but like this pullback up in here is an opportunity to enter. So this is a valid trade idea. See, we're trading back up now. Okay, if it heads up into these levels here, give it a shot. Not financial advice, but that could be something. So I quite like this signal. Let's just see going back. I mean, guys, jump on board if you would like to access our indicators. There you go. See, now this is a strong buy signal. Why is it a strong buy signal? Have a look and see what we've got here. There's the signal. We've got a green dot. We've got the buy signal. We've got these green lines is telling us that there's a divergence going on here, bullish divergence. We get another dot. When you see all these green signals accumulating like this, it really is giving us the message. This bar is telling us that the 4 hour and daily are coming together with strong bullish momentum. So I encourage you to jump on board and enjoy the ride. I think it's really important to do a little bit of technical analysis and weigh up the situation, as I showed you earlier on, with the 4 hour chart. So I think that's a wrap, guys. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.